In this video, I will show you how you can add graphics images in your Overleaf Linux. Okay, so the only thing you have to do is just you have to use a package here. The package is this I wrote here. Okay, use package graphics. You have to use this package. Okay, slash use package, and inside you have to add graphics. Okay, this basically package is for to add images in your file. Okay, so you can see required for inserting images. This package must you have to include at the initial of your okay code editor. Then where the image you have to add, let's suppose I have to image after this my subsection 9. So let me first create a new section. Okay, slash section, and the name let's suppose ls. Okay, and again I am just creating a subsection here, subsection, and proton collision. Okay, this is my subsection. I wrote here. Okay, that's all. Now here after this I want to include some image. What I have to do, let me just fill something random here. Okay, I just add this random data now after. So this is the random data I just include after my this section. Now I want to include image after this. What I have to do, you have to here begin. Okay, have to add begin, and because you have to add figure, you have to write figure figure figure, and just you type enter. Okay, it you can see it auto generates all the aspects. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to just paste the image link here, but before that you have to upload the image first. Here this is your upload option, upload, and you have to select file here, and here I have a image ls. I just upload here. Now it's all done. Now you can see ls png is uploaded separately in another folder. Now what you have to do, you have to just click in between this file. You can see it auto generates your file name. If there are more pictures, it shows a list, you can choose by yourself. Okay, so you can see by adding this it is compiling, and you can see the images uploaded. Now you can also change the size of the images by just changing the values here. Let's suppose 1, so you can see 1 here. Yeah, you can also add here subscript sign and bracket h. This is for if you want image on the top of the page. Okay, so if your image is in the top of the page, now you can see it is now perfect. It is down my description. This is my title, subtitle, this is my description, and you can see now images edit this because your overleaf generates an image randomly on your page. Okay, so to select perfectly you have to add this. Okay, your square bracket inside between h. Okay, now you can also change other aspects. You can see here there is another method. Okay, width equals to slash text. Okay, add this text width, just type enter, and you can see now this code is, you can see now again your image is at in the perfect position. Both are correct, but if you want to resize, what you have to just do, you have to type the number before your text width. Okay, you can see it auto selects the size of the image. Now you can see it's very large image, so I think one is perfect, and you can also 0.5 only to show you. Okay, so that's all. You can see your image is now small, so that's all. You can upload your image in your overlay file. So you just have to add this package. Okay, use package graphics and this. Okay, at the end. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.